Looking to add a burst of fresh flavor and nutrition to your meals without needing a sprawling outdoor gardens? Microgreens are the perfect solution. These tiny, nutrient packed seedlings are easy to grow indoors, require minimum space, and are ready to harvest in as little as 7 to 14 days. Plus, they deliver intense flavors and vibrant colors to everything from salads to sandwiches and smoothies and soups. Here I list 10 tasty edible microgreens you can grow year around right in your kitchen or sunny windowsill. Radish microgreens are some of the fastest growing and most flavorful option you can plant. In just 5 to 7 days, they have tiny tender greens with a bold peppery bite similar to mature radishes. They are perfect to adding zest to salads, tacos and sandwiches. They are rich in vitamins like vitamin A, C, E, and K. These microgreens also offer antioxidants and a spicy crunch that livens up any dish. All you need is a shallow tray, organic seeds, and a sunny window sill to get started. Crunchy, nutty, and slightly sweet sunflower microgreens are a crowd favorite for good reason. They take about 7 to 12 days to grow and boast thick, juicy stems with a tender green leaves. Sunflower microgreens are not only tasty but also packed with protein, zinc, and vitamin E. They make a fantastic addition to wraps, smoothies, and avocado toast. Plus, their crisp texture provide a satisfying contrast in fresh dishes. Give them plenty of light and keep the soil consistently moist for best harvest. If you love the fresh green taste of peas, you will adore pea shoots. These delicate, curling tendrils and leaves offer a subtly sweet, earthy flavor and grow beautifully indoor in just 10 to 14 days. They are rich in vitamin C, folate, and fiber, making them both a delicious and health boosting addition to stir fries, salads, and sandwiches. Pea shoots prefer cooler indoor temperature and bright indirect light, thriving in shallow trays filled with organic potting mix or coconut coir. Known for their mild, slightly peppery flavor, broccoli microgreens are easy to grow and incredibly nutritious. This tiny green contains powerful antioxidants linked to cancer prevention and heart health. They are ready to harvest in about 7 to 10 days and are perfect for sprinkling over scrambled eggs, grain bowls, and veggie wraps. Broccoli microgreens grow best in a bright, warm spot with good air circulation, making them an excellent choice for beginner indoor gardeners. Bring the unmistakable aroma and taste of basil to your kitchen year around with basil microgreens. This miniature version of the beloved herb offer the same sweet, slightly peppery flavor with an extra tender texture. They are ideal for topping pizzas, pasta dishes, and salads. Basil microgreens typically take 10 to 14 days to grow and thrive in warm, sunny indoor spots. Choose from classic basil from more exotic varieties like lemon or cinnamon basil for a unique flavor twist. Mustard microgreens pack a punch of spicy, zesty flavor that can instantly brighten up any dish. Ready to harvest in just 5 to 8 days, these feisty greens are excellent on sandwiches, burgers, and noodle bowls. Their peppery bite is reminiscent of horseradish, making them a fun, fiery addition to your microgreen gardens. Mustard microgreens grow well indoors with bright light and consistent moisture. You can experiment with red or green varieties of add visual interest to your plates. Love cilantro but find it tricky to grow full-size plant indoors? Cilantro microgreens are a fantastic alternative. They capture the herb's distinctive citrusy, slightly peppery flavor and are much faster to grow, typically within 12 to 14 days. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, cilantro microgreens are perfect for topping tacos, curries, and fresh salsas. They prefer cooler temperature and indirect sunlight, so a bright kitchen counter on a shaded windowsill is an ideal spot for growing fastest these fragrant greens. Arugula microgreens offer a bold, peppery flavor with a hint of nuttiness, making them a versatile addition to salads, flatbreads, and sandwiches. Ready to harvest in about 5 to 10 days, these spicy greens are rich in vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants. Arugula microgreens grow easily in shallow trays with a good drainage and require bright, indirect light for optimal growth. Their tender leaves and quick turnaround time make them a favorite for home chefs and beginner indoor gardeners alike. With their stunning red stems and mild earthy flavor, beet microgreens are as beautiful as they are tasty. They are rich in iron, potassium, and vitamin A and C, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Beet microgreens typically take 10 to 14 days to mature and thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Their slightly sweet and tender leaves are perfect for adding color and texture to grain bowls, smoothies, and open faced sandwiches. They also pair wonderfully with citrus fruits and goat cheese. Amaranth microgreens are prized for their vibrant magenta stems and delicate leaves with a mild, slightly earthy flavor. They are packed with protein, calcium, and vitamin C and making a striking garnish for soups, salads, and smoothies bowl. Ready to harvest in just 7 to 12 days, amaranth microgreens prefer warm indoor condition and bright indirect light. Their unique color and tender texture making them an excellent choice for elevating both the flavor and presentation of your favorite dishes. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, do not forget to subscribe my channel and share this video as well.